I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I comb my hair in the mirror. I comb my hair in the mirror. I put on my sweater. I put on my sweater. I choose my clothes for today. I choose my clothes for today. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I pour a glass of milk. I pour a glass of milk. I eat toast with jam. I eat toast with jam. I drink my juice slowly. I drink my juice slowly. I pack my backpack for school. I pack my backpack for school. I check my homework in my bag. I check my homework in my bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I walk down the hallway. I walk down the hallway. I say goodbye to my mom. I say goodbye to my mom. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for my friend on the street. I wait for my friend on the street. I buy a snack at the supermarket. I buy a snack at the supermarket. I meet my friend at the cafe. I meet my friend at the cafe. I order a hot chocolate. I order a hot chocolate. I sit down and relax. I sit down and relax. I do my homework in the living room. I do my homework in the living room. I read a book quietly. I read a book quietly. I stretch at the gym. I stretch at the Gym. I exercise for 30 minutes. I exercise for 30 minutes. I walk home in the park. I walk home in the park. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I go to bed and rest. I go to bed and rest.